Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Welcome back to my living room. We are doing a review and tutorial of the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. Looks like this, and it looks like this on the inside. It is beautiful. It has a really nice mirror. And of course, this is the look that I did today. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I am going out to dinner with my cousin, so I don't want to do anything like too over the top because it's super casual. But I have concealer on my eyes and we are going to get started with them after I powder them. So I'm just going in with a little bit of loose powder and just setting all of this down. I'm first going to go in with hibiscus right there. And we are going, ooh, okay. That's pigmented, I can already tell. Alright, so we're gonna throw this in our upper crease area. Holy pigment. I said super casual, but dang. I didn't want to do anything too over the top, but that is way more pigmented than I anticipated. Holy cow, BH Cosmetics, I underestimated you. So I'm just going to keep blending, blending, blending. There is no building needed here. Like, wow. Alright, I'm going to go in with Lay, which is right underneath, right there. And we're going to shove this in the actual crease. Oh, these shades are beautiful, you guys. Like, wow. They complement each other so well. Like, this is going to be a great spring palette. I am loving this. I'm going to go in with Aloha, which is right there. Gosh, these are so pigmented, you guys. Like, wow, pigmented. There we go. We needed some more depth. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner and then drag it into the crease. I'm going to go in with Mahalo right down here just to give us a little bit more depth. But I'm not putting too much. And I'm just keeping that right on our outer corner. Gosh, these shades are seriously beautiful. I'm going to grab a little bit more of Aloha and just put that in our crease. Just to give us a little more depth. Now let's swatch a few. Ooh, these feel so good, you guys. Holy cow. Wow, these shimmers. They're straight up metallics. Like, holy shnikes. Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are beautiful. I got this one because it had more mattes. You guys know I like to really build my look with the mattes, but I might end up getting the other one because it has a lot more shimmers, and these metallics, I'm telling you, they are beautiful. I'm gonna have to use that one, but not today. Not today. I'm pulling it back. Today, I'm gonna go in with Sandy. I'm being a good one, a good girl, not too pow in your face. I'm gonna take that on my finger. Like, you guys, like I cannot. Wow. And this is just with a finger. This is not wet. No cut crease. Like, holy shnikes. That was just in one time. And seriously, I guarantee you I could do the other lid with what's left on my finger. We're going to grab a little bit of Aloha and just stick it right on the edge there to try to blend them in together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. So good. The one thing that I think this is missing is just a light cream shade, because I don't normally like to highlight my brow bone with shimmers. But I'm gonna go off camera, finish up this eye, do my face, and we'll be back. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get to this lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with Aloha first. Just lightly. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of hibiscus and lay mixed together. I threw a little bit of brown on the inner waterline. And I have on some Eyelure lashes. They are from the Enchanted Lash Edit, and I still like my 117s better. Yeah, for sure. And then I have on the Rimmel eyeliner. No, sorry guys. The Rimmel lip liner. And I just put a gloss over top. We are not done. We have to put a highlight on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with Hula for our inner corner highlight, which is this guy right here. And oh yeah, we are popping that on. I swear I love an inner corner highlight. So yeah, this is our finished look, you guys. I really, really like this palette. I'm going to continue to use it. If there are any shades that do not work well, I will let you guys know down below, but I'm telling you, BH Cosmetics is just doing amazing with their eyeshadows. So I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe. And of course, I definitely recommend this palette. I don't know why I was leaving that out. I definitely recommend it. Let me know if you guys have it. And I gotta get out of here because I'm gonna be late. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.